guys, welcome back to my channel today. So I know y'all already see it is not me, it's my best friend. I'm slaying my best friend today. My shorty ain't been on my channel since May of last year. I know it's been a minute, but yeah, we doing a good look on my sis. If you are new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe for me. You're gonna love it over here. We got the vibes and the looks. And if you returning, what's up, boo? You gang, you already know what's up. So our first step that we're gonna be doing is oil on our scalp, and this is but blueberry hair oil from the company Curls. I just love to use that to moisturize. It has mint in it, and it just leaves the scalp feeling invigorated. Invigorated. Is that a word? Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Dang. It's a really good oil. Anything mint, I love anything mint. As you can see, I'm just massaging my good sis scalp. We getting it in there. I like heavy oils. I really do. And she's not a heavy oil. So now I'm taking my little edge booster and some olive oil wig spray just to slick her edges back. So we don't want the edges and the wig mixing together. That's not the type of party you're trying to have. Okay, boom. So I lied. It was actually got to be glue spray. It all works well. And we just gonna slick it on back. Contour palette. It has the perfect colors in here for me. I absolutely love this palette when it comes to, it's good for tinting the lace. Like usually I use bold hold lace tint, but baby, I was running out of it, so I'm like, we finna finesse it. It's good for tinting the lace, coloring the ball cap, and that's what I'm doing. As y'all can see, I was giving my good sis the full package. We were not missing any steps. So when I do a ball cap for a lace closure, wherever the closure is going to lay or whatever area is going to cover, I sew that cap down so it does not move when I cut the excess cap off. Y'all gonna see what I mean. I'm gonna show y'all. I know y'all used to see me using Erica J, but I promise I'ma slay your bae. Gummy lace glue is just as good. And I put 2 to 3 coats on to apply the ball cap, and then I put 2 to 3 coats on to also apply the wig. and she has entered the chat. Now, I pre-crimped this wig so it wouldn't take that long. This wig is thick. This is from ZSFHair. This is their 5x5 transparent lace wig, 30 inches for the girls. Do y'all see that lace? Baby was giving, and I plucked the mess out of that. For the detail pics, go ahead and slide up on my IG. I know y'all, I linked it for y'all. But now we finna lay that lace. Already put down my 3 layers of glue as y'all saw before, and now we're just doing the comb back melting process. I absolutely love this technique. So yeah, and then once we done with that, we're gonna cut off the excess. Okay, pause for a second. I just know y'all see how melted that lace is. She is plucked, bleached, tinted, and melted, baby. What lace? This technically her hair. Okay. So every time I do an install, I put the glue down and I put the elastic band, and I also follow up with like a lace spray, lace spray. Usually I use olive oil, but today we're gonna be using the even lace spray. I don't really know the title of it. Everything will be linked down below, but I'll just tell you ahead of time. I really liked her. She worked very well, and I'm gonna continue to use her. Alright, so now we getting that hot comb in there. I didn't really have anything to talk about too much on this step, but one thing I learned from Eric and Tay is the hot comb, hot comb, hot comb, hot comb. Even when you're done hot combing, guess what? Go back in there and hot comb again. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for me. For real, I really appreciate it. Ooh, look at that lace. Yes.